In a small, picturesque village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived an elderly man named Samuel. With his silvery hair and weathered face, he was often regarded as the wisest person in the entire community. Samuel had lived a long and fulfilling life, filled with experiences and lessons that had honed his wisdom over the years. One warm, sun-dappled afternoon, a group of young friends gathered under the ancient oak tree that had stood in the center of the village for centuries. They chatted excitedly about their dreams and aspirations, sharing their hopes and desires for the future. As they spoke animatedly, Samuel happened to pass by, leaning on his cane. He was known for his keen insight, and the young villagers respected his wisdom. They greeted him warmly and invited him to join their conversation. Samuel smiled kindly and settled onto a nearby bench, listening intently to the dreams and ambitions of the young folk. Each one described their grand plans with enthusiasm, from becoming world-famous artists to successful entrepreneurs and globe-trotting adventurers. When it was his turn to speak, Samuel raised his hand to request their attention. The young friends fell silent, eager to hear the wisdom that this elder had to impart. "My dear friends," Samuel began in his measured and gentle tone, "dreams are like fragile seeds planted in the soil of your heart. They require nurturing, care, and patience to grow into something beautiful and fruitful. But there is one thing I have learned in my long life, and I wish to share it with you. Stop telling your dreams to everyone." The young villagers exchanged puzzled glances. They had always believed that sharing their dreams with others would garner support and encouragement. Samuel continued, "When you share your dreams with the world, you expose them to the winds of doubt and skepticism. Not everyone you encounter will believe in your dreams as fervently as you do. Some may even try to discourage you, telling you that your dreams are too big, too ambitious, or simply impossible to achieve." He paused, allowing his words to sink in before he continued. "Instead of sharing your dreams with everyone, guard them closely like precious treasures. Share them only with those who truly believe in you, who will water those seeds with encouragement, support, and unwavering faith." The young friends nodded thoughtfully, realizing the wisdom in Samuel's words. They understood that not everyone in the world would be a cheerleader for their dreams, and that sharing them selectively would protect their aspirations from needless discouragement. Samuel concluded, "Remember, my dear friends, that it is not the words of others that will determine the fate of your dreams. It is your own determination, hard work, and unwavering belief in yourself that will make them come true. So, go forth with your dreams in your heart, and may they flourish in the shelter of your own determination." The young villagers thanked Samuel for his sage advice, feeling grateful for the wisdom he had shared. As they continued their journey through life, they carried his words with them, cherishing their dreams and sharing them only with those who believed in their potential. And so, under the shade of the ancient oak tree, the wisdom of Samuel lived on, guiding a new generation towards the fulfillment of their dreams, one step at a time.